Right, afternoon guys, or morning, or whatever it is. It's Sunday 20th. I decided to take the date off on this one. I'm back at my first location. I've got those two Georgian coins, which I've still not been able to clean up yet. I brought over my new detector, the NT. So we're going to give this a go over here. Should have bought my headphones. I keep forgetting to bring my headphones. I don't like wearing headphones, but see, this is why I don't understand it. It picks something up and stops. Where he is, it's around about here. Oh man, this is hard. I think I'm about to dig this up, don't think. Too hard to go down. That's something a bit like a tin can. I think it's a tin can, and I ain't going to dig all the way down here for a tin can. That's a stone. That's a bit of iron. Looks like a bit of iron. I ain't going to dig all the way down there for that. I need softer ground. This is too hard being out in the sun. Put a load of coins along this path, but I ain't going to dig the hard ground. Oh, I need to try and grab a pile of dog shit then. I just can't stand or understand why people let their dog shit everywhere. Right here. I'm always sitting on small ants' nests. Going crazy, these ants. Fucking typical. Get a hit and you can't fucking find it. Well, that's weird. Definitely had a hit there, and it's not there now. $83. I'm not getting nothing on it. Weird. Same pull tab now. It's only in the right thing for the camera. It comes up like that. Right, first final of the day. Well, 50p. First fine. That's doing there. Been here well over half an hour. Right, get back to you in a little while. Right, got another one here. I don't know how good you can see that, guys. This camera's a bit weird today. So where it is down there. I might have 2 hits. Seems to be one here somewhere. Dig that in a minute. Could be something good so I can keep digging all these holes. It's deep. Don't know what it is. Something crappy though. Something's still down here though. I really hate it digging this deep. It's gone now. I don't know what that is. Don't know what it is, but that's what's setting that one off. Colour this out first. I'll change the batteries over on both the pen pointer and the detector. So I'm not getting anything here. It's in that location anyway. I was going to go to the other location which I went to yesterday. I think it's that. Yeah. you, there could be more of it. It says pull tab, I'm not going to bother with it. Found one coin, an old 50p coin so far. I hope I find some more older coins. '83, '93, '97. So I don't know how deep these are when it says 97. Bit of a one. I'm getting the hits, but not interesting hits. Nice to find a Roman coin or something. '93. '83. '99. Things about here. Says there's a coin. Don't think it is a coin though. All these stingers nearly don't them in my face. Another bit of fucking iron. Always iron. Still says 91, 99. There's something else there in this bit. mosquito in my fucking ear. Not getting nothing. I am. Right. Too much iron bits in here. Yeah. Right, I'll give you a think. I'll let you know. Turn this off now. Well, just uncovered this. Looks like a mini penknife. Rusted up, as usual. Right, find another one, let you know. I seem to have lost the back of my camera again. Got on this kind of like little hill thing. I've just come across this coin. Not sure what it is. Probably 2p or something. Don't know. Can't tell what it is. The size of a 2p, I think, but it's thinner than a 2p. Anyway, we'll check that out when we get home later. Check the hole in a second. I don't know why I keep losing my little camera pieces. See if it's in my pocket. Nope. Fucking annoying to keep losing those. Oh well. Right. I'll catch you on the next one. Well guys, next find is a padlock. I love padlocks. So that's a good find. Just underneath this tree here. I'm getting a lot of false readings. Got to get to know my detector a bit more. It's rather annoying when you're trying to pick something up and you don't know what's what. I've actually got it on discriminator 1. Signal is about 7. Pull tab. I keep turning the pull tab off, but it keeps going back on for some reason. Okay, he's coming back on, I don't know why. Yeah, pull tab, see what I mean? And pull tab. Right, if I find anything else, I'll let you know. Okay guys, got another hit here. For some reason it's not picking up on the detector now. It's definitely down here. Anyway. Basketball. That's what it is. Another basketball. Let's check. Right, it was down it. Don't know what's going on with the milk detector today. Maybe so many problems with the damn thing. Keep trying to turn the pull tab off, but it keeps coming back on. So I found 2 coins, musket ball and a bit of scrap today, and I've been out of about 2 or 3 hours. I'll tell you what time it is right now. Well, I've just been told by a couple where there might be some Roman baths. 5 to 3. So they told me the rough location. So I'm going to go there, possibly tomorrow, if I can find it on the map. It's a derelict piece of ground. Now let's find out who owns it first though, so I'll get permission. So if it's got Roman baths there, Romans must have dropped a lot of coins there. So that'd be interesting to go and do. Right, okay, if I get anything else I'll let you know. Well, I'm supposed to be doing metal detecting. Met up with a few guys who do fishing. They're already over here. Said hello to them. Just about going to go home, one of the guys asked me to look after his gear. So I've been sitting here for well over 20 minutes while he's gone to pick up his kid from school. So if one of those go off, I've got to run and snap it really quickly. Strike it, I mean. So you see, it's a great day. My hands are actually aching. It's all really shit, you know, like I found a half a p and a penny, modern day penny, and another coin in this area, stony area, but it's bloody hard on the old hands. So when this guy gets back, I'm going to do probably about another half hour, 3/4 an hour, see if I can find anything else. If not, then I'm going to go home, make myself a cup of coffee, and just generally sit and relax for a while. I might go over the Thames tomorrow, I don't know yet. I'll have to see what tide's like. Take my metal detector, maybe a magnet with me as well. Do a bit of both. And see how the day works for us. I won't say where I'm actually going to go on the River Thames, but I've only been there once, and I nearly lost my magnet last time. Luckily the tide was going out, I was able to get it back. So what happened, the bolt came undone, and the magnet got stuck in between some rocks. And I was waiting for the tide to go out, and I didn't think it was going to go as far as I thought it was. And I was just about going to give up, and I thought I saw something glitter. So because I still had the bolt on my rope, I threw the bolt out, and I managed to capture my magnet back. So that was interesting. But I didn't find anything down there, to be honest with you. But I am going to go there either tomorrow or sometime during the week. Just got to check on the old tides. Can't really do it when the tide's in, you need to do it when you're out. So the tide's out around about 1 o'clock time. I can go over there because I'll probably have a little bit of a lane tomorrow. If the tide's not low till like late afternoon, and I won't bother. I'll go back to either the place I went to yesterday, but I have heard of a new place not far from here actually. It's supposed to have Roman baths and maybe a possible Roman villa. Now it's hard to get in there, but I know a back way, so it means like going a long way round on 2 buses, and hopefully I can get through that way. Because of the the place is so big, you just don't know where those buildings were. So I don't know if there's going to be any kind of like concrete laying around, or parts of like the Roman baths laying around. Thing is going to be kind of like, say, awkward to get in there. And I really want to try to get permission to do it first. So I'll have to walk around so I can find any landowners and ask them if I can do permission. There's supposed to be a lot of stuff in there. One says that there was a bath, another one says that there was a villa, another one says that there might have been Roman barracks there as well. So if all that was where I think it is, that's going to be a pretty good place to go to. But I need to find the landowner so I can get permission. Well, I'm going to shut up, turn this off for a little while, and I'll get back to you later on. If I get anything, I'll let you know. But I did get like a half a penny, I think it was a penny, modern day penny, and I don't know if I actually recorded, but I got a George half a penny as well. So that's 2 different half pennies, like a small round copper penny from about 20 years ago, and then the George half penny going over in that direction. So anyway, I'll catch you a bit later on, guys. Right guys, I don't know what's down here. I've got something, I think it's tin. Yeah, a bit of tin. Yeah, I think it's a tin can. Glass. Might be a bottle lid. Bit of melted lead. Is that it? Wasted an hour waiting for that guy to come back for his fishing gear. Bloody pain. Bit of lead, I think. No. That's what it is. Bottle. No leg. Yeah, it's just melted lead down there, I think. Not gonna bother. That's what it is, melted lead. Right, catch you on the next one. Right guys, on my phone, it's 10 to 6, I think. 10 to 6, just met a couple of other guys over there. One of them I know is my neighbour. There's some other guys, you know, pretty out of the head with alcohol. One of them showed me a nice silver spoon from the 1945, really nice. It's all patterned and everything. Silver as well. He says that he knows a few locations, so he's taken my number. His name's Dal. I think he said he works with antiques as well. So, no, he's asked me to take my stuff over to his place and sort some stuff out, but I told him no, because I want to keep my stuff, which I do. I ain't getting rid of my stuff. Most of my stuff's going to be like kept, you know, like if it's like axes and stuff like that, you know, more recent stuff on magnet fishing, that I might get rid of later. But for now, coins, musket balls, and the other kind of unusual artifact I'll probably keep. So yeah, been a long hot day today, 6 hours. Mind you, I hadn't done 6 hours. I had to look after someone's fishing gear for nearly an hour. So as I say, I'm going to go home, get something to eat on the way home, and I'm not sure where I'm going to go tomorrow, if I go out tomorrow. I'm thinking of going over the Thames, do a bit of mud larking, may take my magnet or me milk detector. I might take them both, don't know yet, and just see what happens. Got to check on the tideways before I go though. There is that other place I want to go to, where there's that Roman place, which ain't too far from here actually. One bus ride from outside near my area, 25 minutes, and I'm there. But I don't think I can get in that way. I have to go a different way round, which is like 2 bus rides and about 40 minutes ride on the bus. So I might have to go that way so I can get in. But I don't want to, you know, go there and break any laws. I'm going to see if I can find the landowner and see if I can do some milk detecting there. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers for watching. Ciao for now.